bestie, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Frugal, also known as Karen. In this video, I have some Happy Mail, guys. So if you like Happy Mail, you like planner things, this video might just be for you, and hopefully you stay along with the journey. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So glad you decided to join me today. Hopefully you like what you see and you decide to subscribe to my channel. Now, if you've been here before, hey girl, hey. So glad you decided to come back. Now, let's get into the things. So, Levenger, I did receive a coupon for 40% off. And you know, Levenger prices are kind of steep, guys. So, when I saw the 40% coupon, I said I'm going to take advantage of it. And I'm going to get a few things to help me with my planning, my budgeting for 2025. Right now, I am into this green thing. I don't know why, but I am. And also, I am doing my blackout planning. And I was shocked when I saw what I saw on Levenger website. Oh, and I failed to mention that I have free shipping too. So, I saw these green planner discs and my sinking funds binder. I have a cloth and paper folio and it's green, and right now I do have gold disc on them, and I said, well, I'm gonna get these green disc matches the folio that I got. And when I saw the black paper, the Nor paper, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get it. And like I said, I got 40% off, free shipping. So, I had to get it, guys, cause I'm doing blackout planning. And I did see something else in this box. When I saw this item in the box, I was like, oh my God. This will be a perfect addition to add. When I saw it, I was just like, Now, the packaging on this, I'm absolutely loving how it was boxed. The tissue paper, totally wasn't expecting all of this when I got this. But guys, when I saw this discount pouch in black leather, I was like, oh my God, I want this. And when I saw it, I was like, this will be perfect for my blackout challenges. So when I do whatever savings that's associated with my blackout saving challenges book is going inside this pouch. So I'm absolutely loving this. I'm not going to write on the paper yet. I'm going to do that later on. But let's go ahead and set up my sinking funds binder, guys. This is what this order was basically about. I wanted to make a few changes to my binder, and I'm still not gonna finish all my changes today to the sinking funds binder. But I will be adding this pouch along with the green disc. So, if this is something interests you, hopefully you stay along as I make a few changes, move out the gold disc and add in the new green disc. And I think the green looks perfect with this folio. I think I like it with it. Yeah, I think I like it. And I did order a few of Shop Really Beautiful green pens. I got 2. And I'm going to pick between the 2 Shop Really Beautiful pens that I got. But let me, I do have some other Shop Beauty Beautiful pens as well in green, and I'm going to pour all of those pens out as well. And let me know your thoughts on which green pen you think looks perfect with this particular folio. So these are the green pens that I have. What's your thoughts? Now, I think the new one that I just got that has the green and the black or gunmetal hardware looks perfect with my Folio. So this one right here that I have for my personal ring planner, I did change that ink to white. So, but for the dismount system Folio, which pen do you think looks best? Well, I guess with the personal rings, which ones do you think look best? So the one I just took out the personal ring, I did change that one to white ink since that planner will be my blackout planner. This one right here that I laid on the Folio is the new one that I just got. Let me know your thoughts, guys. So you can notice with the green pens, the hardware is different, and then the crystals. Now with the personal ring, I'm definitely not picking the gold because the hardware, the rings within my personal ring is silver, so I'm definitely not going to use no gold hardware with the pen. So guys, leave your thoughts in the comments. Which green do you think looks best with which planner? Okay, so now let's go ahead and get to changing my disc out from these gold discs to the green disc. Now, the green discs that I did purchase, they are definitely larger than the gold discs that I have right here. So I'm not sure how everything will fit once I add it back into the Folio. So we're going to see, guys. So far, I am loving the green disc right now. I don't know, guys. I think I'm glad that I did get the green. Because during the summertime, I was thinking about adding black discs to this binder right here. And I'm so glad I didn't get them. And I'm absolutely loving the green. And I'm thinking I'm going to change some of my dashboards within my pouches. I think I'm going to change that out for the new year. Yeah, I think I'm going to change them for 2025 and make a new design out of vellum. But I really think I'm going to love this setup right here. And then I'm going to make some new tracking cards for... I don't know if I'm going to make the new tracking cards to place inside the pouch or keep it as the tracking within the card slot. I need to think about that. And then I might end up changing some of the categories that I have in here. I don't know, but I gotta think about what I'm going to do with that part. And then, depending on how the new black leather pouch that I got, how that works as I use it for the rest of this calendar year, whether I do add more of those for 2025. Now, if they have a great deal with a great discount and also with free shipping, I might considering ordering more. I don't know, guys. I have to see. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Or I'm thinking, or should I just keep the black pouch for my blackout challenges because it does stand out? But I'm loving this black pouch. I mean, the black pouch with this Folio, man, it is It's fire. That's my opinion. That's my opinion. I'm loving it. And I'm glad that I did get this because I do like the disc with this. And I do like that black pouch. And I'm no longer going to use this A5 with these sinking funds in it. Because I do just all want it in the one. I was just testing out this binder right here. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and move everything to my dismount system. But no, I was just basically testing this out to see if I like it. And I might just make this into place some stickers or some planner accessories since I do have the pouches within the A5. I definitely can make this like a storage binder for certain things with certain stickers, planner cards. Also, like when the stores, when you get orders and everything, they have coupons. That might be what I can use the A5 ring with those rose gold rings in it. Oh my gosh, I love this pouch. That black in my green disc, I absolutely love it. I'm sorry guys, I'm just happy. I am happy because I got my green aesthetic along with my black aesthetic. Loving it, and I'm excited for 2025, and I will do a flip through of my 2025 black agenda that I have. I will be uploading that video. And I'm trying to stash up because I do have to do an unboxing video. But then later on this year, sometime in December, I will give a flip through of everything that I'll be using for 2025. So basically, this is my sinking fund binder. I have it set up, basically, but I just still need your input on which pen you think I should include with this binder. Let me know your thoughts with the disc with this binder. You like the gold versus the green. And also, let me know your opinion on when I open up my planner. Like right now, I do have my trackers in the card slots. Do you think I should go ahead and move my trackers inside the pouch and set up my card slot in my pockets in the front so it's pleasingly aesthetic? Make some changes to it. I think I do need to go ahead and make some changes to it because right now with those trackers with the header, it's quite boring. It's really boring. But let me know your opinion in the comments and what you think. I have been looking for some green planner cards because my aesthetic for 2025 is definitely green and black. I have been unsuccessful, so if you know anyone that has any green planner accessories, let me know in the comments as well. And I want to thank you guys so much in my journey of unboxing my Happy Mail and setting up my sinking funds binder. I truly appreciate each and every one of you because you didn't have to and you did, and I do not take it lightly. So have an awesome day. Toodles.